Hello my dear family members, if you are preparing for Accenture Technical Assessment, then this video is for you. Today we'll break down the important topics, question patterns and preparation strategy you need to know before the assessment. From the very first round to the last round, from cloud computing to web technologies to all technical assessment, everything will cover whatever you should focus on and how you can prepare effectively. So let me discuss from the very beginning. Just before that, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then do subscribe and watch the playlist regarding any component that I want, and let me know which content you want more. So at first, the very first question is, when this technical assessment will appear, guys? The first round is cognitive round, right? So in cognitive round they will be having three gaming questions. So three gaming questions, we have already uploaded the questions and how this will really look like. Please watch the playlist of Accenture, you will get to know about that. And then you will be having the behavioral assessment and technical assessment, everything. So inside the technical assessment you'll be having total 45 questions and 45 minutes. So 45 minutes includes 45 questions includes all MS Office and its application, then pseudocode, then there will be cloud and networking based questions. So please give importance whatever I'm going to teach you right now. Okay, now there are some genius candidates who ask me, can we cheat in the exam? Guys, this is a proper physical exam and there is no chance of cheating. Okay, if the first round is online, then the second round must be an offline exam. So please be prepared and have that mindset that your exam will be conducted in online but in on campus. Okay, not in your home. So please have this mindsets. Okay, now the next question is, can you share the real questions? Yes, I'll share the real questions. Just watch and wait. In this video we are going to discuss about the technical assessment and MS Office and its application. So I'll discuss few questions, but I'll cover most of the topic, most of the questions they are asking from, like from MS Office and its application, MS Excel, MS Office, MS PowerPoint and Words, etc. Okay, so I'll discuss all of these, and at least after this video you'll get to know what type of questions they will ask, and if they are not asking this type of similar questions, then you will unsubscribe, unlike this video and report this channel. Okay, so this is my guarantee, so please watch this video till the end. Okay, now let me share the very first question.
Hey, you ready for the future? Techno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS and more. We'll get you ready, open up that door.
So this is the first question, guys. Values greater than 7 should automatically get highlighted in Excel. Which features should be used? Guys, if you are not getting this type of questions, please do unsubscribe, do unlike and do report this channel. Okay, this is my guarantee, so please watch and wait so that you don't miss anything. Okay, now values greater than 7 automatically should get highlighted in Excel. So what should you do, guys? There is one thing present inside the Excel that is called conditional formatting. Let's say you have some duplicate values. Okay, you want to highlight all the duplicate values present in a cell. So in that case you can use this conditional formatting, highlighted cell and duplicate values. If you want to highlight something, guys, you can use this conditional formatting and highlight easily. Okay, let's say if you are checking if it is greater than or lesser than some values, let's say I'm just entering any values, 1, 2. Okay, now this one is duplicate, right? So I'm just choosing this one and choosing conditional formatting and then highlight, and if it is lesser than some value, let's say 2, then it should highlight with the red value. Okay, red color. See, if it is lesser than 2, it highlighted with red value. I hope you understood. So using this conditional formatting we do this, guys. Through the conditional formatting they will ask a lot of questions, because I have personally experienced and I have already observing the questions from last 3 years. So please give importance to these conditional formatting sections. Okay, mainly from where they ask questions, they will ask whatever feature is available here. They will ask what's the function of this, what's the function of this, what's the function of this. Okay, so every function should be known by you. Okay, like format painter, how you use this format painter. and when you use and why you use merge, you have to know these. Okay, basically they will ask the questions like this, all the functionalities. Okay, now the next question is, so console formatting. Okay, now the next question is, in Excel formula is equal to $a $1 into B2, what happens when copied downwards? Guys, this means what and this means what, you have to know. This b2 in this formula is a relative expression. Okay, a relative a reference, and this $a$1 is called absolute reference. So there is two types, is absolute reference and relative reference. You have to know about that, guys. Please do research something about this. When you use this formula, what happens when copied downwards? A1 remains fixed and B2 changes gradually. Okay, so this is the next question, guys. Next question is this, a 300 page, guys. I can recall this, that this was asked on 2025, and this is the real questions also, and also these are all real questions, but I clearly recall that this is the last year questions. Okay, a 300 page report requires automatic chapter numbering. Which MS Word feature is best? Word art, style splash, multi-level list, page color, and insert shape. Guys, I'm giving you 30 seconds. Please pause this video and give the answer in the comment section before I give. Okay, because let's say, just assume you are giving the exam under one invigilator and you are giving, like, you are opting the option, what will you do? So just wisely choose the option. The correct answer will be styles plus multi-level list. It's very clear, guys. 300 page report requires automatic chapter numbering. So there is one option which enables us to auto generate the number of 300 page number should be auto generated. So in that case, we use styles and multi-level list. Okay, guys, whenever you are preparing through all the questions, you need to know that you have to prepare to the right questions. There are a lot of questions available in the public, and those are not useful. Those are purely waste. Guys, if you want to prepare within very few hours, very few days, then please don't waste time searching the materials in other platform. I have all the things you need to prepare for Accenture here in the topmate.is/tech_uf. Cognitive assessment, gamified rounds, technical assessment, pseudocode, cloud and networking questions, MS Office and skills, computer science, back-end coding questions with answers, front-end, SQL questions, communication assessment, and everything you need to prepare for Accenture are available here. You can see this is the feedback of students providing below, so please go through that. It costs only 99 rupees as of now. It can be increased. If you just purchase it, guys, you will receive all the recent and previous year questions, and including like this mock interview, communication assessment mock test, and normal mock test for technical assessment, MS Office, etc, etc. Like this, you will get the assessments like this. So HTML CSS mock test, pseudocode mock test, Microsoft and MS Office Excel mock test, and flowchart psychometric mock test, etc, etc, will be available for you guys, and it will be increasing. Okay, Accenture mock test, you can see. So after you click on MS Office and its application mock test, you will see this type of platform. Okay, see this type of platform you will receive. So give the exam, guys. If you are not getting this type of similar questions, then 100% guarantee I will refund your like page. Okay, so please do go through that. The link is provided in the description box or in the comment section, and I'm giving 100% guarantee you will get this type of questions in MS Office and Excel section. Okay, so please go through that. Now let me go through the next question. So the next question is this: the same company logo must appear on every PowerPoint slide. Which feature should be used? Guys, we have a feature in MS Office, that is footer and header. If we use header and footer in MS Word, then the footer and header will be auto used in every page, right? Similarly, we have a slide master in MS PowerPoint, where the same things can be repeated, and it's like a template we can use many times if we create once. Okay, so slide master controls common elements such as logo, footer, fonts, design across all slides. Okay, just remember slide master, which can be used for using something which can be repeatedly used. Okay, Now, the next question is which Excel function removes extra spaces from text? If you are familiar with any coding language, especially Python, you know this function trim. This trim function will help us to remove extra spaces from text. Okay, I hope you understood. Now, the next question is this: a company wants to send 500 personalized letters with different names and addresses. Which feature is used? There is one feature. Let's say we have a list of user present here. Okay, this is the name, this is the mail ID, and this is the phone number. Okay, so I want to customize a mail template. Let's say hi name, and here let's say phone number present. Here's the phone number present, and we are using the mail, and here is the name of the user. Okay, so if we want to use the same template but using different variables, okay, different variables means different values of each name, each email ID. So in that case we just use mail merge, which will help us to pick every time different name and different mails. Okay, so this is the feature called mail merge, which is very useful and which is very important questions in Accenture exam. Mail merge is a very big concept and a very wide concept and very important concept which can be appeared in your exam. Okay, and this question was asked really in the on campus assessment. Now the next question is from VLOOKUP, and I'm assuring you you will get one questions at least from VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP, or this type of formula based questions. Okay, a company has a following sales data, find total sales only for east region. So this is the this type of table will be used, and you will receive this type of options. You have to choose the options wisely. So a company has the following sales data, find the total sales only in the east region. So east region is this and this, but if this is a big data, then we can't say that the east is present in second row or fourth row. We have to use dynamically, right? So you can use the sum if function, which will help us to get all the sales data from east region. Sum if b2 is to b5, which is selecting all the things from here to here, sorry, here to here, from region first value to last value. Okay, and east, which is the required field, and c2 is to c5, from where we'll check the price. Okay, c2 is to c5, from where c2 is here, c2 c5 is here, so from here we'll fetch the price. So if the value is east, then only pick the sales price. So 5,000 plus 6,000, 60,000, 50,000 and 60,000 will be added, and 1,10,000 will be returned. Okay, now the next question is which formula returns salary of employee ID 102? So again the same type of like answers will be there. So this type of options will be provided. You have to choose the options wisely. Okay, we look up e2, a2 is to c4, 3 false. What this false means? This false means exact match. Okay, it will not pick 101 or 201 or something which is confusing. Okay, it will check if it is exactly matching or not, exactly 102 or not. Okay, and this e2 means employee table, employee column. Okay, VLOOKUP searches employee ID in the first column. In the first column it will find for the employee ID if it is 102 or not, then return salary from the third column, and false ensures exact matching. Okay, so this A2 is to C4 means from here to C4 means 70,000. So from here to here it will fetch all the data. Okay, so I hope you understood. So guys, these are all questions I had to share with you today. Just one thing guys, please go through that and motivate me to make more content. This type of feedback of students are giving below. If you are going through that, I am assuring you will get something very common in the materials. Okay, so please go through that guys. The link is provided in the description box or in the comment section. Thank you.
Please subscribe to Techno UF and don't forget to like and share with your friends.